My name's Dan and I'm a pig man. Let me show you around the nether. Pig man. My name's Dan and I'm a pig man, hanging with my pig man gang, and we'll be found on the ground deep down in the nether. Nether region covered by a brown bit of leather, with a wibble and a wobble through the purple portal. You're living in a world that'll hurt all mortals. Stay alert till you'll hurt to the fall in the gorge, and the goal, the result will be awful. Caution, you better be warned to be cautious. Never snort nether water in another fortress. Have you thought you were brought in of torches? This is the sort of resort to be dauntless. Endure and it will take up all your resources. You can end up on the floor feeling nauseous. Did you fall for us? Of course, this is courtship. No, such your lordship, I thought we could all kiss. Let up on my board if you calling us porkers. We're the pig men and we're all freaking gorgeous. Pig man, my name's Dan and I'm a pig man. Let me show you around another pig man. My name's Dan and I'm a pig man, hanging with my pig man gang. With a pig man, living in den with other pig man. I consider my friends, you find a pig man. If you're sitting in the bed, you with a pig man, live in a big pig pen. The other pig men claim I'm a clever cop, so let me tell you all about the other leather mobs. In another one, wonder what they give ever seen with a skeleton, with a skeleton. If you
දැන් මම මේ නැන්දා කරන ගන්න මේක ඉක්මනට ඉවර කරන්නනේ යන්න. එන්න. මේක දැන් දවස් දෙක ඉවර කරන උටක් ගහගෙන ඉඳලා බෑ. මේ ඕක මේ නැන්දානේ.
Hey, kukul por.
කණ්ඩේපා. ඕ මගේ බූම්ස් දෙක මං උක දෙන්න කා.
ඕක දාගෙන ගියේ ඔක බංග.
නෑ එහෙනම් අරන් වලින් මේ කොහොමද දෙක අරන් එහෙ තියෙන.
නෑ ඕක දාගෙන ගියේ.
එනවනේ ගාමිනා. එන අපි